Question 12 in our according, question 18 in October-November 21, variant 3. Find the equation of the straight line that passes through the 2 points and give your answer y equal mx plus c. To find the equation y equal mx plus c, we have to find the value of m and the value of c. To find the value of m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It means the gradient equals 12. To find the value of c equal y minus mx. Y minus mx, we have to use one of the two points, x equal 3, y equal 10, y equal 10, the gradient is 12, x is equal to 3. Using your calculator, 10 minus 36 is equal to negative 26. Now we can write the equation of the straight line, which is 12x minus 26. Thank you.